Hello, I am Jazz from NetApp. Come along and join us on an exciting journey as we delve deep into the world of Grafana. Grafana is an intuitive open-source software that assists in monitoring various systems. It enables visualization and exploration of data from multiple sources. With Grafana, you can create dynamic dashboards to interpret intricate data efficiently. It is excellent for displaying real-time data and assessing system performance. Also, we will have a look at NABox, the NetApp out-of-the-box solution leveraging Grafana, Harvest, and Prometheus as the perfect setup for getting started. To explain a bit more, we can say that Grafana is a web-based monitoring tool with huge analytics and interactive visualization capabilities. With the use of Grafana, administrators can collect data from various sources like ONTAP SVMs, data aggregates, volumes, metro cluster and VRAM utilization, and much more. All this data can easily be analyzed through custom charts. Alerts can be established for unusual behavior or resources reaching space limits, and all of those valuable statistics are presented on dynamic dashboards. Let's have a look at the different components that make Grafana work. First, let's talk about Harvest. Harvest serves as the OpenMetrics endpoint for ONTAP and Storage Grid. It comes with a pre-configured set of pollers, collectors, templates, exporters, and an optional auto-discover daemon. By collecting the metrics, Harvest makes them accessible to a separately installed instance of a Prometheus database. Prometheus functions as a pull-based system. In our case, applications or NetApp storage systems publish their metrics at a designated Harvest endpoint, and Prometheus periodically fetches the metrics. The data then is visualized within the Grafana web interface. Does that sound tricky? No worries. This is where NetApp's NABox comes into play. It's a ready-to-use OVM-powered virtual appliance that has everything built-in needed for easily monitoring NetApp storage systems. Installation of NABox is quick. To begin the process, access the OVA file by navigating to the NABox webpage and locating the section where the file is available for download. Just follow some simple steps to set up the VM. Click to download, then the documentation is guiding you to have the VM deployed on your hypervisor. Adding your NetApp systems into the Grafana dashboard within NABox is really easy and straightforward. Once done, you are equipped with the capability to thoroughly explore and analyze the vast array of metrics and data outputs that are available to you on this powerful platform. NABox comes with lots of pre-configured dashboards that can be used for various use cases. There is, for example, the ONTAP cluster dashboard. It gives information about node or controller-based numbers. Trimming down to a certain data center or cluster is very simple. The dashboard includes CPU and disk utilization, latency, throughput, and IOPS, as well as further options to dive deeper into performance data, even during a specific time period. Additional dashboards offer you an unparalleled opportunity to delve even deeper into the statistics you're examining. By providing more detailed insights and comprehensive data analysis, these dashboards empower you to uncover patterns and trends that might otherwise go unnoticed. The user-friendly interface allows for seamless filtering on timestamps, making it simple to focus on specific timeframes. Additionally, you can easily narrow down particular protocols, controllers, SVMs, or aggregates, ensuring that you can quickly and intuitively access the precise information you need. To wrap up, I would like to show only one more point to highlight specifically. There is the Metro Cluster-specific dashboards available, which offer a comprehensive view into FCVI and IWARP utilization, along with a plethora of other intriguing metrics. These dashboards are incredibly useful for troubleshooting any performance mysteries specific to Metro Cluster environments. By delving into these metrics, you can gain deeper insights into potential bottlenecks and issues, helping to ensure optimal performance across your systems. Whether you're dealing with unexpected slowdowns or simply looking to optimize your configurations, these dashboards provide the necessary data to guide your analysis and actions. To wrap up, NA-Box powered by Grafana simplifies the deployment of a full monitoring stack, integrating NetApp systems with Grafana. It offers easy setup, security updates, and alerting configuration for lots and lots of key metrics. Get ready to explore the exciting world of NA-Box. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day ahead.